Today, I've brought you a powerful formula that can generate thousands of dollars. These Tom and Jerry style videos you're seeing, I created them using AI without spending a single penny. And not just that, I made them incredibly easily. And you already know this. If you learn how to create these types of Tom and Jerry style videos, you won't just earn thousands, you can literally print millions. Now, I don't even need to show you proof, but still, let me show you an example channel. Look at this. 1 month ago, this creator uploaded a video, 54 million views on a long video. Then again, another video a month ago, 5.3 million views. 4 weeks ago, 1 million views. And here's the crazy part. This channel has only 13 videos uploaded, and it has already gained 13 million views. The channel is fully monetized, and the earnings? They will blow your mind. Look at this, $21,000 to $63,000. That's too much earnings. And all these videos are exactly like the ones I'm showing you. So how is he doing it? He's creating these videos using AI. Let me quickly play one of his videos for you. Now here's the exciting part. I am going to teach you how to create even better Tom and Jerry style AI videos completely free. Not just that, you'll also learn how to create high-converting thumbnails for these videos. And yes, I've already done all the hard work for you by creating powerful master prompts. You don't have to do anything complicated. Go to Google and type theradiotv.net, my website. Click on the first result. Once you land on the website, you'll see a post, How to Create 2D Cartoon Animation. Click on it. At the top, you'll see Tom and Jerry images. Below that, there's a complete master prompt, a professional-level prompt designed to create full 2D cartoon animations. Let me break this down for you. When you enter this prompt, you'll get 15 unique video titles. You can pick any title, and it will automatically generate a full story. Not just that, it will also generate scenes. There will be 60 scenes, which means a complete 5-minute video. Think about it. Each scene is around 5 seconds, so 60 scenes equals 5 minutes. If you increase scenes to 80, your video becomes 8 to 9 minutes long. Now, here's something important. The system will generate prompts for only 3 scenes at a time. Then it will pause. Why? Because detailed prompts require high-quality generation, and this method ensures better results. So, after 3 scenes, you'll simply type continue, and it will generate the next 3 scenes. Repeat this process until all 60 scenes are completed. Scroll up and copy the entire master prompt. Now open Grok or any AI tool and paste the prompt. Hit enter and instantly you'll get 15 powerful titles. Pick any idea. For example, idea number 14. Just type 14 and hit enter. That's it. The system will automatically generate a full story with 60 scenes. You didn't do anything, just selected a number. After generating scenes, the system will ask if you want image and motion prompts. Type yes or continue. Now you'll start getting image prompts for pictures, motion prompts for video animation. Each scene will have both. Copy the image prompt for scene 1. Go to Google and search Image FX or Whisk. Both are completely free. Paste your prompt and click Create. Boom, your image is ready. Repeat this process for all scenes. Now it's time to animate. Go to Grok or Meta AI. Upload your image, copy the motion prompt, and paste it. Click Enter or Animate. Your video will start generating. If results are not perfect, regenerate. It improves with retries. Upload each image one by one. Apply its motion prompt. Generate videos for all scenes. Now open any video editor. Import all clips into the timeline. Arrange them in sequence, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Add transitions between clips, background music from YouTube audio library, and sound effects. Now your full animated video is ready. Go back to my website, scroll to the thumbnail prompt section, copy the master thumbnail prompt, paste it into Grok or ChatGPT, insert your video title, hit enter, and you'll get 3 thumbnail prompts. Use Image FX or Whisk again to generate images. Now you have full animated video, professional thumbnails, all created using AI, completely free. Repeat this process, stay consistent, and you can easily get millions of views and massive earnings. But remember, success comes with consistency and hard work. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, share it with your friends so they can benefit too.